This is TWiT.
Hello, I am Mikah Sargent, and I'd like to welcome you to the new edition of Hands on Tech, where I turn your tech troubles into tech triumphs. Each episode, I explore a specific theme, unpacking your questions with expert analysis and easy-to-follow advice. From decoding the latest gadgets to simplifying everyday tech, I've got you covered. If you're having some tech problems, well, send them my way through email or via social media. You might hear your question answered on air. And don't forget to listen for guest experts who drop by to share their specialized tech wisdom. Whether you're puzzled by privacy settings or simply curious about cutting-edge innovations, Hands on Tech is your weekly dose of tech insights and inspiration. Visit twit.tv/HOT for more information and join me every Sunday from 11 to 11:30 a.m. Pacific Time. Let's turn that tech confusion into tech confidence.